start your social study book. Okay, the chapter to the Stone Age. Before that, I already finished my first chapter in my previous class of the Stone Age, the human evolution. Today I start the Stone Age. The historians divide the time. The historian divide the time different stages. Okay, when they started the time divided when the when the lives appearing on the earth. Okay, after that they started dividing in a different stages. After that, the period. Now we discuss about what is prehistory. The period from beginning of life writing was invented means the period means the time. Period means here we denote as a time. The period from beginning of life writing was invented is called prehistory. Now the period is divided into three different stages. The first stage is a Stone Age. The second stage is a Bronze Age, and the third stone is Iron Age. Okay. Next, our next topic is Stone Age and its periods. Means what is Stone Age and their periods. Before that, the periods during early human use the periods during early human use stone to make tools and weapons are called Stone Age. Now the period is divided means the earliest means the Stone Age is divided into this four periods. First period is a Paleolithic or Stone Age. Second one is a Mesolithic or Medieval Age, and third one is a Neolithic or New Stone Age, and fourth one is a Chalcolithic or a Copper Stone Age. Understood? Okay, now right now I discuss this four age. First is Paleolithic Age, second one is a Mesolithic Age, third one is a Neolithic Age, and the fourth one is a Chalcolithic Age. This four different types of stages we have to discuss now. Okay, now the first I discuss about the Paleolithic Age. It's a Lothic, not lithic. Paleolithic Age. Okay, this age come from means the Paleolithic words come from one. There is a Greek word which come from this Paleolithic means it's coming from a Greek word. Okay, this Greek words, the Paleo means what is old, and lithos means not lithic, it's lithos. Sorry, it's my mistake. Here is Paleolithic, not Paleolithic. It's Paleolithic. Here is also Paleolithic, and here is also a Paleolithic. It's my mistake. I think that is Paleolithic. Okay, now again I started from here. The period is divided into the Stone Age divided into this four different stages. Okay, the first stage is a Paleolithic Age. The second stage is a Mesolithic Age, and the third one is a Neolithic Age, and the fourth one is a Chalcolithic Age. Okay. Now I discuss about the Paleolithic Age. The Paleolithic, this word is come from Greek words. Okay, Paleo means what? Old, and lithos means it's stone. Okay, these two words together is known as Old Stone Age. Means the Paleolithic Age is known as Old Stone Age. Now I discuss the first point of the Stone Age is a Paleolithic Age life path. Okay, how in this time the people live in their life. The life path I discuss here. In this periods, the human being lived a nomadic lives. In this life, the human beings move from one place to another in search of food and water. And they also hunt animals, gather fruits, nuts, roots, eggs for their food, etc. They live in a small group and they help the hunting of big animals. They cover their body with leaves, bark of tree, and the animal skin according to the environment or according to the climate. If there is too cold in that time, they wear an animal skin or a fur to give themselves a hot. Okay. And after that, the last one, they not the last one, they don't have an idea about the growing crops. They live in caves and rock shelters or in the top of the tree to protect themselves from a wild animal. This is a life of, this is a life, this is a lifestyle. This is a lifestyle of Paleolithic age people. Okay, not a people, it's a human beings. After that, tools. Tools in that time, in a Paleolithic age, that time the archaeologists found some tools used by the human in those stone ages. Okay, after that some tools are used, whatever the tools they found, the archaeologists, some tools are look like they used for meat, they used for cutting meat and bones or chop fruits or dragging the ground and take out the roots whatever they want to eat or so many other things. Sometimes they make the tools to sometimes the tools they make just like a weapons. They in those weapons they use for hunting, means the weapons look like a narrow headed, means in the stone, in the head of the stone they look like a narrow, so that it's easy to hunt big animals. So that's why this is about the stone, this is about the tools of that time human beings used in the Paleolithic age. Okay, this is the uses of the tools. Okay, here the Paleolithic tools. Here there is a different types of tools are there where the archaeologists found this old stone age tools. Okay, and this is the process of human make the hand axe. First they take a large piece of rock. After that they use a stone hammer to make a roughly side edged. Okay, after that they using a hammer, by the help of wood and stone they make the edged of the stone. After that, the fourth step, they trim the edges with the help of pointed stick, and then the finish. After that, they trim it and they finish the hand axe. This is the look of the hand axe, and this is the front view, and this is the side view. You can see that it's very pointed. Now, student, after the tools, there is the point, another para is there is a sites, means where this stones the archaeologists found them. The archaeologists have found, look at your book page number 8. The archaeologists have found the evidence of hunter and gatherers from various sites in India. Means they found some various sites of India where they get the evidence of the early humans, hunters and gatherers. Some important Paleolithic sites have been found at Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Hanski in Karnataka, and Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Now go to our next page. Is a history of fire, discovery of fire. Sorry, it's a discovery of fire. Here, during this Paleolithic age, in this time the fire they invented. Okay, in this time the early people discovered the fire. Okay, in this period the early human beings, they discovered the fire. Whenever the bad weather, you know that now also when the bad weather occurs, after that there is a huge lightning and thundering are there. In that time also, when the weather was very bad, through those lightning and thundering, the the dry leaves and the brushes, whatever the things will be dry in the forest, they catch the fire through this lightning and thundering. After that, the early human found the spark of fire. Where they get the means where they found the spark of fire, when the two stones rub against each other. Whenever the two stones rub against each other, after that they get the spark of fire. They also do the dry leaves, whatever the dry leaves present in the forest, they burn those dry leaves through this spark of fires. They use these fires for cooking meat and other whatever the food they have. They used for fire to cook meat and to protect from themselves to wild animals. And after this discovery of fires, the early human led development the human civilization. After that, let's try to develop the human civilization. Understood? This is the end of a Paleolithic age. After that, after when the people started civilizing, after that the next age started is a Mesolithic age.